How to redeem StubHub gift card. Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will simply guide you on how you can actually redeem your StubHub gift card, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to redeem your StubHub gift card, all you have to do is simply actually go ahead and then open up your browser. Once you open up your browser, go to stubhub.com and then you will land on this page which you see over here. Once you come to stubhub.com and land on this page, make sure that you're signed into your account. After you sign into the account, just click the profile icon from the top right hand side or hover your mouse over it. Then you want to go to settings. Then once you go to settings, you'll find all these options load up. By default, you're going to be under settings, right? But if you look on the left hand side, you'll find this option called StubHub Wallet at the bottom left. So just go to StubHub Wallet. Once you go to StubHub Wallet, here you'll find the option called add a code. So all you have to do is actually make sure to enter your gift card code in over here. Once you make sure to enter the gift card code, it is actually correct, then just click on the add button. Depending upon the value of the gift card, it's going to be successfully applied to your StubHub account. This is simply how you can go ahead and then actually redeem your StubHub gift card. We hope the video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.